In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. This is me, Mariam Tahur, and today I will teach you the remaining portion of our country. As you know, we have discussed the physical features of Pakistan, neighboring countries of Pakistan, fact file on Pakistan, landscaping and living and working of Pakistan. Now in this video we will discuss the provinces of Pakistan. How many provinces does Pakistan have? Do you know? Okay, let me tell you. Pakistan have 4 provinces, which are Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. We will discuss these provinces one by one. And in this lesson we will learn the physical features and significance of provinces. So let's discuss the first one, which is Punjab. Punjab is the second largest and most populated province of Pakistan. It is called the land of rivers as 4 of the 5 major rivers, including the river Indus, flow through it. Agriculture is the main component of Punjab's economy because crops such as wheat, cotton, sugarcane and rice are grown over here. Some mangoes and oranges trees are also grown on a large scale. Many trees also grown here like shisham, eucalyptus and pepper. You can also see the pictures of these trees. The first one is of shisham and the next one is of eucalyptus and the third one is of pepper. Man-made forests and reserve forests are present like Changabanga and Lal Suhandra are present in Punjab. It is the most urbanized and industrialized province in Pakistan. Do you know which is the capital of Punjab? Lahore is the capital of Punjab and it is the largest city in Punjab and the second most populous city in Pakistan. It is a cosmopolitan city, means full of culture. Many tourists came to visit some famous sites such as Bashahi Mosque, Lahore Fort, Minar-e-Pakistan and Shalimar Gardens. Many people speak different languages in this province, in this Punjab province, like Punjabi, Potwari and Saraiki languages among others. And these languages depends on the areas. Like in Multan areas, many people speak Saraiki language, and in Punjab and many other areas, many people speak Punjabi. Here are some traditional foods of Punjab, which are pulao, sarson ka saag and makai ki roti. And the luti and bhangra are traditional folk dances. And Kabaddi is the traditional sport of Punjab and it is very popular especially in villages. And so let's talk about the traditional dresses of Punjab, which are tahmat, pagri, kurta and khussa for males. And people have great respect for saints and visit their shrines such as Baba Bulle Shah, Khwaja Ghulam Preet, Waris Shah and Hazrat Data Ganj Bakhsh Ali Hajweri. Here are some important pictures of some important places of Pakistan. Like you can see, the first one is of Jahangir Tomb and the second one is of Shalimar Garden, Bashahi Mosque, Sheesh Mahal. These are some important places of the Punjab. So here is an activity for all of you guys. You have to tell me which different places of Punjab you have visited and how did you travel to that city. Do you know why is Punjab such a fertile province? And did you visited the Minar-e-Pakistan or Bashahi Mosque? For sure, all of you have visited these places. And do you know the significance of both these places? Name the major crops grown in the province. What things are manufactured here? Okay, now let's move towards the second one, which is Sindh. Sindh is a famous for its many mystic shrines that are visited by people from all over the Pakistan. It is the industrialized hub of Pakistan where cars, machinery, textiles are manufactured. Do you know Sindh is the capital of Karachi? It is the largest city and port of Pakistan. Sindhi is the main language spoken in this province. The landscape of Sindh consists of Lower Indus Plain, the Thar Desert, and the Indus Delta. The Indus Delta to the south of Karachi flows into the Arabian Sea. The coastline with sandy beaches, little bays, and inlets are some popular places for relaxing. Many trees like shisham, kikar, and mulberry grows over here, as you can see the picture of these trees. The large coastline of Sindh has large mangrove forest, which is home to many kinds of marine life. Largest mango and banana farms are present in Sindh. It grows wheat, rice, cotton, and sugarcane. Some traditional dishes of Sindh are biryani, pala fish, and bhaji. Okay, now let's discuss the third one province, which is Balochistan. Balochistan is the largest province in terms of land area. It is located in the southwestern region of country. Do you know which is the capital of Balochistan? Quetta is the capital of Balochistan, which is also its largest city. It has an extremely dry desert climate. There is very little vegetation, however fruits like apple, peaches, grapes, cherry, almonds and plums grow very well in some areas. Juniper, alpine and coniferous forests grow here. It has very vast natural resources, especially natural gas, which is supplied to the rest of country. The newly developed Gwadar port, which is the significant part of the CPAC, and the abbreviation of the CPAC, and CPAC is the abbreviation of China Pakistan Economic Corridor, and it is in the south of Balochistan. Qaid spent the last days of his life in the residence in Ziyarat, which is present in also in Balochistan. The shrine of Baba Kharwari is also in Ziyarat. Many people which live in Balochistan speak many languages like Balochi, Pashto, Brahui and Persian. And the traditional cuisine of Balochistan is Sajji. The Sibi Mela, a livestock fair, is held each year in Sibi. People from all over the Pakistan visit this fair. And the traditional dances of Balochistan are Chap, Leba and Jhumar. And the traditional sport of Punjab, Balochistan is chalk, G and horse riding. The men wear loose kameez and baggy shalwars with turbans, while the women wear embroidered frocks, frock type shirts, shalwars and chadars. These are the traditional dresses of the Balochistan. Okay, now the last one province, which is the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, which is also known as the KPK, and it is the third most populated province of Pakistan. And do you know which is the capital of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? Peshawar is the capital of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Many people which live in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa speaks many languages like Pashto, Hazara, Chitral, and Koistani. It has a dense alpine and coniferous forests, fruits such as apple and apricots, and nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, and pine nuts grow here. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa has many famous tourist destinations such as the town of Naran, the valleys of Kagan and Kalam, Shandar Pass, and the Sky Resort of Malanjaka. It has a wealth of natural resources such as marble and precious stones. It has a very little agricultural land, but maize, millet, barley, rice, sugarcane, and tobacco are grown here. And the traditional cuisine of KPK is chapli kebab. Khattak dance and Atan are the traditional dances of KPK. The shrines of Rehman Baba and Hazrat Khwaja Kaka Sahib are in the KPK. Do you know which is the traditional sport of KPK? Makha archery is the traditional sport, and you can also see the picture of this sport. Shawir chappals and pakol cap are the traditional dresses of KPK. Okay, here are some activities for all of you boys. You have to draw a relief map of Pakistan by using the material present at your homes. You can use plywood, a large sheet of paper, clay or plasticine, pebbles, sand and paints. You have to use these, you can use these materials, and you have to draw a relief map of Pakistan. And you have to, and the second activity, which is you have to highlight significant features of each province and the name of various places of interest in each province. And the second activity you have to do in your journal. And now the last one, which is the worksheet. You have to do also, you have to do this, and you have to tell me which areas of Pakistan are most populated and the least populated. And you have to find out the names of the main deserts in Pakistan. Write down the names of 5 larger countries than Pakistan and 5 smaller than Pakistan. And complete the fact file on Pakistan by adding the names of provinces and the provincial capitals. I have drawn here the table. The first one is of provinces and capitals. You have to write the province and you will write the capitals of regarding province. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and stay home.